Exercise 6.3, fourth sum. What should be subtracted from these to get the number this? We have given one number. They are saying what should be subtracted from this. Which number we will subtract from this so that our answer will become this number. So I am going to let the number is x. Let the number is x that we will subtract. Okay. Now we have given according to the question. We have given 5a plus 4b plus 12. We have to subtract the number from this number now. It means we let x, we will subtract x from this number. They are saying so that our answer will be minus 4a plus 2b plus 19. When we subtract a number from this number, our answer should be this. So I let the number that is x. We have to find the value of x. Now we will solve this. 5a plus 4b plus 12. Now I am going to shift this number that is in the right side. I am going to shift it in the left side. When we shift it in the left side, it will become negative na. Minus 4a plus 2b plus 19. In bracket, totally full number we will shift. After that, in right side we will shift x. X is in negative, it will become positive. Now, very easy. Firstly, open the bracket. It will become plus minus 2b minus 19 is equal to x. Now, collect like terms. 5a plus 4a, 4b minus 2b, 12 minus 19 is equal to x. 5a plus 4a, 9a, 4b minus 2b, 2b plus 12 minus 19 minus 7 is equal to x. 9a plus 2b plus minus 7 is equal to x. Value of x is this. We have to find the number that we subtract from this so that our answer is this. You can check this sum by putting the value of x in this. When you put the value of x in this statement, you will get the answer this. Fifth sum. The sum of two numbers is this, and if one of them is given, find the other. Now we have given sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers is equal to 5ab plus 3b plus 7f. One number is equal to minus 2ab plus a minus 5b. We have to find the other. Same we will let the other number is equal to x. Now according to the question, they are saying sum of two numbers is equal to this. Sum of these two numbers is equal to this. It means minus 2ab plus a minus 5b plus x is equal to 5ab plus 3b plus 7a. Okay. Read the statement carefully. They are saying sum of two numbers is this. We have given the sum. We have given sum and one number is given. We have to find the second. So we let the second number. According to question, I write addition of first and second number is equal to this. We have to find the value of x. X will remain on the left side. Now I am going to shift. This will remain on the right side. Now when I shift this number, it will become negative. We will shift in brackets total number. 5ab, open the bracket, plus 2ab minus a plus 5b. Now separate the like terms. 5ab plus 2ab plus 3b plus 5b plus 7a minus a. Now 5ab plus 2ab, 7ab, 3b plus 5b, 8b plus 7a minus a, 6a. Value of x is this. Our second number is this. We let the other number is x. So the other number is this. Sixth sum. Sixth sum is What should be added to this number to obtain the number this? Now what should be added? So let the number is x that we add. Okay. What should be added to this number na? So we will write this number 3y square minus 4x minus 3x square minus 5. We have to add in this number na according to question. According to the question we have to add x in this number so that our answer is x square minus 2y plus 6. Okay. I write the statement according. We will let now we will let variable a because the statement is given in x. It will be confused. So we will let the variable a. We have to find the value of a. Now a will remain on the left side and others number I will shift. This is the other number now I will shift and I will put sign negative because before bracket positive sign is there. 3y square minus 4x minus 3x square minus 5. Now open the bracket. Minus 3y square plus 4x plus 3x square plus 5. Remember one thing, we have to let the variable that is not in the statement. X is in the statement, so I change the variable that I let a. Now separate the like terms. X square plus 3x square plus minus 2y. 2y is only one term. Okay, it will remain same. Plus 6 plus 5. We have to collect like terms. Minus 3y square plus 4x also remains same. We will collect only like terms. X square plus 3x square minus 2y is only one term. 6 plus 5 we added. Minus 3y square also one term. 4x is also one term. Now add x square plus 3x square 4x square minus 2y plus 6 plus 5 11 minus 3y square plus 4x. So this is the number. When we add in this number we will get an answer this. You can check it. 7 sum is same as 4 sum.